Hi, welcome to Monday Moodle. Today what we're going to do is we're going to use a Lightbox gallery with a roles override to allow our students to enter in pictures. What you see right in front of you is what a Lightbox gallery would normally look like. It's a place to add photos by the teacher so that your students can access and comment on. But what I want to do is make this gallery like this one here, where the students have the assignment and then they can upload their work below. To be able to do this, what you have to do is you have to make your students teachers of this particular activity. And that's what we're going to do today. Okay, first step in making a Lightbox gallery that your students can upload pictures to is to go into a course where you're a teacher. So you can see up in the top right hand corner here, I have turn editing on, which means I'm a teacher of this course. The next step is to create a file folder for your Lightbox gallery. Under the admin block on the left hand side, I'm going to click on Files. I'm going to create a folder where all of my images are going to go into. I'm going to click on Make a Folder and I'm going to name it. When that's done, I'm going to use my breadcrumbs to go back to my main page. Now it's time to make the Lightbox gallery. I'm going to turn my editing on. I'm going to add a resource and add a Lightbox gallery. I'm going to type in the name that the students would see. Type my instructions in the description box. And then choose the folder where all the images are going to be stored. We'd named it Pictures for Assignment. And then go down to the bottom and save and return to course. The Lightbox gallery appears, and when I go in as a teacher, I'm going to have the Add Image button. My students will not. What we want to do is make them a teacher of this assignment. So I'm going to click on Update Gallery, and at the top here I'm going to locally assign the role of all my students the role of teacher for just this assignment. I'm going to click on Teacher, and I'm going to search for anyone in the right hand column and move them over into the left. So I'm going to make everyone here and I'm going to add them to the other side. So this means for this activity module only, the picture assignment, these users are going to be teachers. I'm going to use my breadcrumbs and go back. I'm going to switch to a role of a teacher, go into my picture assignment, and I do have the Add Image button. I'm going to go back to the main page, return to my normal role, and this time I'm going to switch to the role of a student. When I go into that picture assignment this time, I do not have the Add Image button, which is exactly what we wanted. Students in this course for this activity cannot upload images, but teachers can. And since we made all of our students teachers of this activity, you have a Lightbox gallery or an image place where your students can upload. And that's how you make a Lightbox gallery with roles override to allow your students to add images to a course.